This is my sofa of shame. I'm going to have to open all these. They've been sitting here for weeks. And I've been buying new games, adding to the sofa of shame pile, and not opening them. So I've just decided I'm going to do a mass opening. You can join me for that, or switch off the video now. It's probably going to be super boring if you've opened these yourself, I would imagine. But I thought doing a video will force me to open them. There's some quite good stuff here. Here goes nothing, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I've let it get this bad. This is terrible. I'll start with this one here, Tara Wolf. I ordered this because it literally pushed the shipping over the minimum order. So that was why I ordered this, and it was cheap. And it reminded me of Lara Croft. So yeah, it's got a little magnetic thing. Oh, here we go. Indiana Jones on the inside. Oh wow, pretty cool. And the rules don't feel too thick either. It looks pretty nice. The art on it's nice. Get these up. Yeah, the art's really nice. It's good that they've got 2 female characters and 2 male. That's a good start. Just some tokens. Wow, the art is really nice, guys. You see that? It's such a cheap little game. Pretty good quality. Yeah. Don't you hate it when you can't open these? They're made for like a child to open. Anyway, I won't show you all of it. If you want me to do a proper look, I will. But I'm pretty impressed with that for how cheap it was. Thank you, YouTube, for forcing me to unbox my games. Next up, Kawitan. Kawitan. You're probably wondering, why did I buy this one? Similar reason to that one. It didn't help me with postage, but it was super cheap. So I was like, yeah, I'll get that. It's cute. Really thin rules. That's literally it. What the? Tokens? Tokens? Triboard. Oh well, these guys are adorable. I wasn't expecting this. Check these out. They're super cute. It's adorable if nothing else. My grandkids will probably like playing it. Ah. So there's two different sets of cards in here, an English version and a French version. These feel cheap. That's probably why it was cheap. These feel like little cardboard cutouts. They're very flimsy. That is a Kawitan. Cuter than I thought it was going to be. Game of Thrones Hand of the King. The reason I bought this is I was a fan of Game of Thrones back in the day before I stopped watching it due to all of the violence against women. It's just made it hard to watch. It's funny that it comes in the plastic blister pack and then it's got its own box. I actually prefer the boxes to the blister packs anyway. So we have got tokens, rules, feels quite thick for such a tiny game, and the cards. Oh wow, I love the art style. This is really cool. Oh, brilliant. Yep. Yep. Alright, we love the art style on that one, guys. And some little cards. I don't know anything about this one, so I can't even tell you what the different cards are. Oh, door. Oh, door. Oh, brilliant. Yep, alright. Well, we love the art. That's our first impression of Game of Thrones Hand of the King. Century Eastern Wonders. Wow, that is some small rules. Play cards. They're a bit flimsy, but no worse than the other games in the series. Quite a lot to punch out. And the usual lovely little insert that Plan B tend to do. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I bought that one, if you wanted to know, just because it's part of the collection. I've got the other two, so that's why. It's like Christmas. That's what happens when you let your shelf of shame expand and you don't open any. People keep buying your board games, which is a problem I imagine most board gamers would love to have. Very thin rules, 2 sheets. Punch boards, 4 player boards, and the tokens, the cards, and all of the lovely coral pieces. I won't open the cards because I'm sure they're all just variations on a theme. I've actually taken this twice to 2 different game nights and it just sat in shrink. Nobody was interested. Boo-hoo! Scrabia. I picked this one up myself last week or the week before, purely based on the theme. Scarabia or Scarabia. Scarabia. It's not bad, it's only 4 pages. Different terrain. Wow, there is not a lot in there though. I assume once you pop all these out, this gets filled because that's literally all that's in the box. These look like little stones or something. Tiny amount of cards. You may as well open them just because there's so few. That's it. That is a Scarabia or Scarabia. Who does know how to say that? Luxor, guess why I bought this? Can you guess why I bought this based on Scarabia, Scarabia? Could it be the theme? Have I got a thing for Lara Croft and Indiana Jones? Yeah, I have. This one's got to be good, right? It's got this on there. How bad can it be? Oh, a double-sided board. There's the main side, and then the other side's like an art thing. Look at that. How cool is that? Can't get it all in, but you get the idea. Oh, I love this already, guys. Oh, it looks so good. How many rule books do we need? Wow, another one though. There is not a whole lot in here. Dice, little bag of goodies, some cards. Okay, back. That's Luxor. Yeah, I'm a sucker for that one. I'm looking forward to trying that. That might have just overtaken Reef actually. Frog Riders. This doesn't weigh very much. Now, this game's been on my wants list since it came out, so I just grabbed it in the sale. Wow, nice thin rules. That's a good start. Family game. Loads of little frogs, different colours, meeples, little cards. The board. It's very pretty. I'm assuming it's fairly easy, so that one might go good at family game night as opposed to gaming group. That is Frog Riders. Yeah, it's pretty basic, crappy insert. I actually watched the Board Game Captain's review of this one, so if you haven't seen that, hop on over there and check it out. I purely got this one because when I was younger, all those many years ago, I loved Choose Your Own Adventures, so that's why. And I also thought my son-in-law would play that with me because he likes them as well. So cooperative adventure. Last one. Yay! Networks Executives. If you haven't played the Networks by Formal Ferret Games, it is a really cool little game. My partner loves it, which is why I backed this on Kickstarter. Extra stuff. not sure if these are like extra Kickstarter bits and bobs, but these are great. Look at these little TVs. Who doesn't love them? They're adorable. What are these? They're either buildings or early 80s mobile phones. We'll see. And a radio tower, like RKO Pictures. And mini expansion. Oh, goodness me. Ta-da! All unboxed. Thank you for being the thing that has made me unbox everything. Otherwise I wouldn't have done it. Sofa of shame. Sorted with your help. Bing! Nerfenstein out.